Alright, so in this video we're going to show you how to turn your WaterLily turbine into a WindLily wind turbine. The first thing you need to do is to fasten the WindLily hub to the WaterLily. Now see these three holes? And they correspond with these three holes here. So you're going to carefully line it up, just like that. And then, holding it together, flip it over onto its face, like so. Take the stainless steel screws and make sure you put on these split lock washers here. And carefully put them into the hole there. And you can snug those guys up. So this will be a fast forward part here now. Bring them down until you've just compressed that split lock washer. It acts like a spring. So when that goes flat, you're just about there, and then give it another little quarter turn. So bring it right down until there's no space left, until you've compressed that split lock washer, and then about another quarter turn. Go around, make sure they all feel like they're the same tension. Don't go too tight, it's only plastic. And if you assemble it indoors and then bring it to a cold environment for use, you should check those screws again, because as they shrink in the cold, they may loosen up a little. You want to make sure that they're nice and tight. So now your WaterLily is ready to be a WindLily. So at this stage, you're ready to either mount this on your tripod or pole, or if you want to go ahead and put the blades on too, and we'll show you how to do that right now. So the blades kind of hook in. You take the hook and you just slide it in here. Place your hand on the middle of the turbine and push right out at the tip, and you'll hear a click. And you do that 6 times. And it's a bit snug. That'll wear in as you use it a bit more. The final step is to install the cover. So it just has a big threaded stud here, which fits into this hole. Get it lined up and it should go in easily. These little holes here just so you get your fingers in. Hold the blade from the outside and just give it, and that's good. Finger tight, you want to be able to get it off after too. And so there you go. This is your WindLily ready to be installed.